Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, good morning to all of you. It is 11 o'clock now, I think. And I start a little bit earlier, 1 or 2 minutes, maybe. Anyway, welcome to my class again. And today we are going to do HS theorem, going to solve HS theorem, going to explain. And I hope all of you will understand, inshallah. And after that, we will start exercise 10.2. Okay. Okay, so let's start our class. Today is 29th of September. Today is Tuesday. Okay, just 1 or 2 students, just let me know my sound quality, video, everything is okay or not. Is it possible to hear fully? All of you, just write your comments. My sound quality, video, everything is okay or not? Walaikum salam. Just anyone write my video quality, sound, everything is okay or not? Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Walaikum salam. Everything is clear, sir. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So I think I should start the class because time already start. So today already I told you I'm going to start HS theorem, and already we have discussed 3 theorems. Okay, SAS theorem, Triple S theorem, and ASA theorems. Of course, all of you have to understand every single theorem, and have to know what theorems what explained there, and it is very, very essential for your future classes, class 8, class 9, 10, of course. Okay, you will use these theorems in every single classes. So I think it's very, very important theorem for everyone. Okay. So before the class, before starting the HS theorem, I want to explain. Just yesterday, one of my students asked me one question. I think it is very, very important for everyone. The questions was, what is the difference between adjacent and adjoining? This very interesting questions, adjacent and adjoining. So look at that. What is the difference between, first I am telling adjacent and adjoining. What is adjacent? Adjacent can be happen for adjacent angle, adjacent sides also can be happen. So look at that here. If we draw one angle here, look at that. For example, it is an angle 30 degree, for example. So this side and this side is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. Adjacent side. This side is called adjacent side. This side also called adjacent side. So both of these sides called adjacent side, and in between angle is called included angle. This angle is called included angle. Included angle. Okay. This angle is called included angle. Both of these sides called adjacent side. Okay, adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? For example, this one is 90 degree. Okay, if you make just, if you divide into 2 equal angle or unequal, no problem. If you divide this 90 degree into two angles, this angle is called adjacent angle of adjacent angle of this one. Okay, for example, this one is 90 degree, this one is 50 degree, for example, and this one is 40 degree. So this one is adjacent angle of this one. Okay, this one also adjacent angle. Okay, adjacent means pashapashi. Okay, before or after. Okay, so I think all of you understood what is adjacent angle and adjacent side. So now this is adjoining side and adjoining side. So look at that here, adjoining side. What is adjoining side? Look at that here. In a triangle, for example, this angle this angle is this ABC, okay, ABC. So this angle and this angle, okay, in between two angles, this is called adjacent side, adjoining side, adjoining side. This is called adjoining side. Okay, I hope all of you are clear. This is called adjacent side. Adjacent side included angle, adjacent angle. This is also called adjacent angle. Adjacent angle of this angle, and this one is adjacent angle of this angle. Okay, and in between two angles, the side is called adjoining side. The side which is include or which is joined two angles is called, the side which is joined two angles is called adjoining side. I hope all of you are clear. So now I am going to start HS theorem. Okay, HS theorem, geometry. Okay, geometry, congruence and similarity. Congruence and similarity. Okay, so now I'm going to start HS theorem. HS theorem. What is HS theorem? H is hypotenuse and S is side. So so what is it? What is the statement of HS theorem? The hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle, hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are respectively equal to. Respectively means this hypotenuse equals hypotenuse, and which side we have chosen, okay, that side respectively equal to the same side of another triangle. Okay, so the statement is hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are respectively equal to hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle. Then we can say both of these right angle triangle are congruent. Okay, so HS theorem only related to right angle triangle. This is very easy theorem, and this is very easy to apply, because if you get hypotenuse and one side just only equal, then you can say both of these right angle triangles are congruent. So let us prove it. Okay, I am erasing this part. I hope both of these basics all of you are clear. Okay, so I am not writing the statement. I think all of you know about the statement. So I am going to directly the main theorem, drawing this first. This one is a right angle triangle, one right angle triangle, and this one is okay. Okay, so this is ABC, and I'm drawing again. Look at that here, ABC, okay, this one, and another one is this one. Okay, it's looking okay, almost same. So A, B, C, and D, E, F. Okay, particular enunciation I am writing. All of you can write particular enunciation. Okay, all four theorems, this SS theorem, triple S theorem, ASA theorem, and HS theorems, every single theorem given in the book, and they also given the proof how they proved it. But I am doing in a different way, in my way. Okay, I think it is elaborate and is it easy to understand. Okay, some of things given in the book, it's very concentrate, it's not clearly described there. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy the class and you will understood very well. It's little bit lengthy, but it is easy to understand. Okay, everything is details inside of that. Okay, so let's see. So particular enunciation, just let ABC and DEF. I have taken some place here because little constructions also there, so that is why I have taken a little place. Okay, so ABC and DEF are two triangle, are two triangle, okay. So we are just working on HS theorem, so it must be right angle, of course. So ABC angle equals DEF angle equals 90 degree. Of course it should be 90 degree, otherwise we cannot work for HS theorem. Okay, and AC equals DF, AC equals DF, and BC equal EF, BC equals EF. Okay, it is required to prove that, it is required to prove that, it is required to prove that, we have to prove that, or it is required to prove that, what we have to prove? ABC triangle congruence with DEF triangle. It is our target point. We have to prove ABC triangle congruence with DEF triangle. Look at that here, this 90 degree, of course it should be, because it is a right angle triangle, so 90 degrees it shouldn't be mentioned in the question. So this one is hypotenuse and this one is side. So already we know from the question, this hypotenuse, this AC equals DF, and this side equals this side. Okay, already we know about that, and we know this angle equals this angle is 90 degree. So we have to prove both of these triangle is congruence. Okay, everything is clear? Very good. I am just few moments. I am okay. Everything is okay, sir. Very good. Very good. Okay. Just invite your all other friends and everyone to come in the class. Why they're just, I don't know. Your annual exam is just coming. I think this month, not this month, next month, October, end of October, or last week of October, or I think middle of, just around 20. Okay. You will I think you have to face another exam of CQ exam. Okay, it's totally based on CQ exam, so you have to take good preparation. You have not enough time. Okay, so let's start the proof. Before the proof, we have to do construction, little construction here. So construction is little construction here, construction. Okay, so look at the construction. DE extend up to M, DE extend up to M. Okay, extend up to M, this one is M, and join EMF. Okay, so DE extend up to M. Okay, then join MF, join MF. That's it. That's very simple and small construction. DE, just we extend DE up to M. Okay, DE extend up to M, so that, or such that, so that EM equals, or ME equals AB, so that AB equals this side equals this side. Okay, this side equals this side. We extend DE up to M, the same length of AB. Okay, so we can say AB equals EM or ME. Okay, join MF. That's it. Okay, so I am going to start proof. Okay, so proof here. look at that. This is the new triangle here, and this triangle here. So we are just trying to show this one and this one is congruent, exactly same. Okay, so first number one, in ABC triangle, in ABC and MEF triangle, we have taken this ABC triangle and MEF triangle. Okay, AB equals ME. How we get it? By construction. Okay, by construction. And we know that ABC angle equals MEF angle, MEF, each 90 degree. Okay, and look at that, BC equals EF. It's already given. BC equals EF, given in the question. Okay, given. So by SAS theorem, okay, by SAS theorem we can say ABC triangle congruent with MEF triangle. Okay, so we have shown this triangle and this triangle is congruent there. I hope all of you understood up to that line. Okay, and after that we will go next. Just write in the comments all of you clear or not. Okay, if you don't clear, I will repeat again. So write in the comments everything is clear to you or not. Okay, my dear student, all of you just write in the comment all of you understood everything or not. Okay, Walaikum Salam, Fayaz Kabir, 7B2 I think, Fayaz Kabir. Okay, Tisham, all of you understood? Okay, if you have no problem up to that, it's okay, no problem. So this triangle and this triangle is congruent. So what we can say? We can say this angle, look at that here, this angle and this angle is equal. We can say that BAC angle is equals EMF angle. Okay, we're just taking one equation 1 because later we will use this angle. Okay, and we can say AC equals MF. AC equals MF because both of these triangle are congruent, so corresponding side must be equal. So AC equals MF. We have taken this one is equation 2. Okay. Also, we know that already it's given in the question. AC equals DF. Where from we get? It's given in the question. Given. So look at that, AC equals MF and AC equals DF. So we can say MF equals this side equals this one, also equal to this one. Okay, so we can say MF equals DF. We can say that. Okay, and we can write EDF angle equal EMF angle. Why you can write this one? Look at that, we can write EDF angle is equals to EDF angle. This angle, this one and this one is equal, because whole, if you think just FDM, this is one triangle, so this EF is the common side. So opposite side of in a triangle, opposite angle of same side, it must be equal, of course. So we can say opposite angle of equal side in a triangle, okay, opposite angles of same side must be same. Okay, in a triangle, opposite angles of same side must be same. So look at that here. If we take this one is equation 3, for example, this one, okay, this one is equation 3. So equation 1 and 3, look at that, EMF and EMF this same. So we can say BAC angle equals EDF angle. Okay, I'm just erasing, I have to erase this part. I hope all of you finished already. So I'm finished this part. I'm just taking just keeping the figure. Okay, so from 1 and 3 we can write, from 1 and 3 we can write from 1 and 3 we can write BAC angle equal, look at that, BAC angle equals EDF angle, or you can write A angle equals D angle. You can write this way. Okay, so one important thing already I proved, one important thing, what it is. Look at that, it's not given in the question. In the question given this side equals this side and this side equals this side. I mean hypotenuse equals hypotenuse and BC equals EF. It's given in the question. But whole everything, based on everything we have proved this angle equals this angle. Okay, so 2 already we get. This angle is 90 degree and this angle also 90 degree. So this angle and this angle already we have given, this is same angle, and we have proved this angle and this angle is same. So already we get 2 angles is same. Okay, so we have to show this angle and this angle is same or not, because otherwise we cannot put the theorem, any other theorem. Because look at that here, if we see this side and this side is equal, this angle is not included. This angle is not included, so we can't say SS theorem we can apply it here. It is not possible to apply here. Okay, that is why I am going to, we can write in ABC triangle. Okay, we are going to just number 2, in ABC triangle we can write A means BAC angle plus, okay, ABC angle plus ACB angle equals 180 degree. Okay, in DEF angle F triangle we can write EDF I mean D angle plus DEF angle okay, plus DFE angle equals 180 degree. Okay, so look at that here, already we know BAC angle equals EDF angle. We know that ABC angle equals DEF angle. Both of this angle is equal. Why? Both of this angle is 90 degree, and we have shown the both of this angle is equal. We can say this one is 4. We can say this one is 4. So both of this angle is equal from 4. Both of this equal because they are 90 degree, and all together all are 180 degrees. So we can say ACB angle equals DFE angle. So therefore we can write, therefore directly you can write, therefore ACB angle equals DFE angle. Okay, we can write. Is it possible to see it, or it's going to down? Just tell me. And I am also watching here. Oh no, it's not possible. Okay, so I'm not writing here. I'm going to next page. I hope all of you understood. I am going to very slowly, okay, because of you. If I go fast, I think most of you don't understand what it is actually. Okay, so look at that here. From both of this one, BAC equals EDF, ABC equals DEF, and 180 degree equals 180 degree. So ASCB angle must equal to DEF angle. So we can write, therefore we can write ASCB angle equals DEF angle. Okay, or we can write C angle equals F angle, sorry, DFE angle, F angle. Okay, so this angle we have shown here, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, all of you understood or not? Just write in the comment. If you don't understand, I will repeat again. Okay, last one, just number 3. In ABC triangle and DEF triangle, okay, we have given AC equals DF. Where from we get? It's given, and all kinds of logic and everything we have possible to show this angle is equal to this angle. So we can say ACB angle is equals to DFE angle. Okay, and BC equals EF is also given. So by SS theorem we can say, by SAS theorem, okay, we can say ABC triangle, ABC congruence with DEF triangle. That is proved here. Okay, okay, just let me know everything is okay or not, all of you understood or not. So our theorems is proved now. All of you just write in the comment. All of you just write in the comment everything is okay or not. Do you understand or not? Okay. Walaikum salam. After a long time you are telling me assalamu alaikum sir. Okay, after 29 minutes. Yes sir, clear. Very good. Very good, Tasin. Repeat please. Which part I have to repeat? Sumaya Aziz. Sir, last part ta bujhi nahi. Okay, no problem. Last part, this number 2 or 3, which part you don't understand? Which part you do? Last part, look at that here. We have given this side AC equals DF and BC equals EF. So with different kinds of logic, we have to show this angle is equals to this angle, because it is included angle, and we need this angle. Okay, first we have shown this angle equals this angle by this triangle. Okay, first we have taken this new triangle here, and we have shown this ABC triangle and EMF triangle. Both of these triangle are congruence, and after that we have shown this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle equals to this angle. So we can say the BAC angle equals to EDF angle. Okay, we have shown here this BAC angle equals EDF angle, EDF angle. Okay, EDF angle. We have shown in this one in equation 4, and after that, look at that here. If we take this triangle and this triangle, and sum of three angles equals 180 degree. Here also sum of 3 angles equals 180 degree. This one and this one is equal, and this one is equal, because both of these are 90 degree, and both of these equal we got in equation 4. Okay, so we can say SCB equals DEF. Okay, we can take two more lines. Of course, we can say this this BSC plus ABC plus SCB equals this one. We can say, and after that we can write. Just write two lines. I skip here because it's going a little larger. That is why. Okay. So look at that. SCB and DF must be same. So look at the SCB and DFE must be same. Okay. SCB means this angle. Okay, which we need and which we required, which we very much wanted angle, this one. Okay, ACB and DFE, this angle. Okay, already we get this angle and this one and this one is equal. That means that already we have given in the question AC equals DF and BC equals EF. So we can apply easily, we can apply SS theorem here. So we can say yes, we can write here. If we want, we can. This is equation number 4. So from equation 5, we can write. It's also okay. So by SS theorem, we can say ABC triangle congruence with SCB triangle. All of you understood or not? Just write in the comment. All of you understood or not? Okay. Just I think this one is easy. It's looking little bit large theorem. In your book also, they proved. I think 4 steps or 4 or 5 steps they used. Okay, so this one is a little bit easier than the book. Okay, if you study well, if you just step by step, because here the board, so that is why everything is not here. Okay, in especially first and second part. First and second part. So that is why I can't show everything here. But I think step by step, if you go through, I think it's not very difficult. Okay. I think it's not very difficult. Okay, my dear student, just write in the comments. Understood clearly, sir. Very good, Molly. Yes, sir. It is an easy one, sir. That's really good. Wonderful. Thank you so much. So after now, I think all 4 theorems already we have proved. And these 4 theorems, student who understood very clearly, you can use. It's not very much essential to understand every single proof of this theorem, but essential thing is that you have to understand what is the theorem here and how to apply it. Okay, this is very important thing, because these 4 theorems in different way we will use in class 7 in chapter exercise 10.2. okay, just few moments, after few moments we will use this theorem these theorems in different way, in different question. Okay, and in class 8 also in different theorems you will just in the side note you have to write just by SS theorem, by ASA theorem, or different theorems. Just if you don't understand all of this theorem clearly, I think it's very much problematic for you to apply this theorem. Okay, I hope all of you understood. So let's apply this theorem. I mean, let's start exercise 10.2. okay, what is that? Exercise is very much easy, and in the exam I'm just revealing all kinds of questions and everything to you, what kind of questions you will face in the exam. Okay, most of the question from geometry part will come 10.1 and 10.2 and 10.3. okay, and most of the question come from exercise, not from the book. From especially these 4 theorems is little bit big theorem, proving is little difficult. Okay, so as a student of class 7, it's not very easy, but sometimes it can come also. Okay, because every single step, every single theorem I explained here. If you don't understand a single step or whole theorem, you can write in the comments. Okay, any kinds of question. Yesterday just one student asked me, sir, I don't understand what is adjoining side and adjacent side. I explained here. Okay, all of you can ask me any question through messenger, through group, through anywhere, no problem. If I get any interesting or very good questions, I will discuss here for everyone. Okay, all the time we are ready to reply your question, answer of your question. Okay, so don't worry, all the time we are in your side. Okay, you are not alone. You are not just, I don't understand what I had to do. It is online, so you can just ask me. sorry, you can just ask me questions. I will try to try my level best to answer every single questions, inshallah. Okay, so now I'm going to start exercise 10.2. okay, going to start exercise 10.2. Where is the book? Yeah, exercise 10.2. okay, so I'm erasing this part. Exercise 10.2 we are starting. Okay, exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. okay, just open your book at page number 169. okay, 169, question number 1, exercise 10.2. what is it? Question number 1, in the triangle ABC, AB equals AC, O is an interior point. Interior point means inside. okay, in ABC triangle, inside of ABC triangle, one point given, which is called O is an interior point of ABC. okay, such that OB equals OC, and prove that AOB equals AOC. okay, we have to prove it. So look at that here, number 1. okay, number 1, ABC is a triangle. So I'm just drawing the picture. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. O is a point, interior point. Interior point, that means inside of ABC. It's not telling us it's a middle of ABC. It's not mandatory. You can take anywhere, this side. It's also okay, no problem. So inside of ABC, one point given, which is called AO. okay, such that OB equals OC. So this one is O. So OB equals, this one is OB, and this one is OC. okay, so ABC triangle, AB is equal to AC. AB and AC is equal, and OB and OC also equal. okay, OB and OC also equal, given in the question, everything given in the question. We have to prove that AOB angle is equal to AOC. okay, so particular enunciation, we have to write particular enunciation. We have to write with our own word. okay, given, it's given ABC is given, ABC is a triangle. okay, ABC is a triangle. AB equals AC. It's given in the question. okay, O is the point. O is an interior point. Interior point of ABC, ABC triangle, interior point. okay, OB equals, or we can say OB equals OC. It's also given. OB equals OC. What we have to prove? It is required, or we have to prove. It is required to prove that. What we have to prove? We have to prove AOB angle. That means we have to add it. In the construction, we will write just join OA. okay, so AOB angle, I mean this angle is equal to AOC angle. This angle, we have to show this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. okay, that is our target points. So we have to prove that AOB angle equals AOC angle. okay, the construction, what is construction here? Construction, just join AO. That's it. Very simple, very easy. So I am erasing this part. Okay, so we are starting proof here. proof. Okay, so we have to look at that here. This ABO triangle in ABO triangle and ACO triangle, ABO and ACO triangle. Look at that here. AB equal AC. It's given. Okay, and OB equals OC. It's also given. Okay, AO equals AO. Common line or common side. Okay, common side of both triangle. So look at that here. Three sides are equal. Three corresponding sides are equal to three corresponding sides of another triangle. Okay, so by Triple S theorem, ABO congruence with ACO triangle. Okay, so if both of this triangle, this triangle, okay, this triangle, this one and this one, okay, this one and this one are congruence, we can say corresponding sides and corresponding angle must be equal. Okay, if two triangles are congruence, we can say the corresponding sides and corresponding angle must be equal. Okay, so this angle must equal to this angle, and this angle must equal to this angle. Okay, so look at that here, how I will change the question or how I will make the questions. I am just telling you, in your questions given here, AOB angle equals AOC angle. In the question, I mean exam, if I say ABO angle equals ACO angle, is it any change here? Nothing. Just you have to write up to that step, and you have to write just here we have to prove AOB angle equals AOC angle. So you can write AOB angle equals AOC angle, because both of these triangles are congruent, so their corresponding angle, side, everything must be equal. I can say the prove that BAO angle equals CAO angle. I can also ask that questions. It's very easy. Just you have to write up to that point, and last line you have to just write this BAO angle equals CAO angle. If I given the question in exam, okay, like that way, or if I ask questions like that way, okay, that is proved. Very simple, very easy. Okay, if you understood well, I think you can answer any kinds of questions based on congruency. Okay, my dear student, all of you just write in the comment everything is okay or not. Do you understand everything clearly? And after that I will go to next question. Okay. So easy. I never thought it would be easy. Yeah, it is very easy, very easy. If you understood congruence is really easy, but congruence theorem, main theorems is little difficult to understand. It's little just I tried to give the smooth way, one after one step. That is why it is a little longer, but I think not very difficult. If you go through, just study well. If you just think how teacher go through one after step, I think easily you can understand. Okay, just you can just study little study at your home, and after that you can ask me any question. Okay. Understood, sir. Bujichi, sir. Very good. Okay, so I am going to next theorem, next one. Okay, I am going to next one. It is, yes, I am going to next one now. Yeah. So number 2 question. So question number 2, exercise 10.2, question 2. Okay, number 2, in the triangle ABC, D and E are point on AB and AC. So look at that here, ABC triangle. I have taken one triangle ABC. So this is A, B and C triangle, ABC triangle. Okay, first three words. In ABC triangle, D and E are points on AB and AC respectively, such that BD equals C. Okay, so D point on AB, D on AB, and E on AC, E on AC. So given in the question, D and E respectively, D and E are points on AB and AC respectively, AB and AC respectively. Okay, this one is D respectively, such that BD equals CE. That means this up to that point, this one is equals to this one. It's given in the question. We are just drawing based on the informations given in the question. Okay, so BD equals C and BE equals CD. Okay, BE equals CD. So look at that, we are adding BE, so BE equals CD. So this one and this one also same. So this one and this one also same. Okay, so we have to prove ABC angle equals ACB angle. So we are writing our particular enunciation. Okay, given ABC is a triangle. Okay, ABC is a triangle, ABC triangle where D and E are 2 points on AB and AC respectively. Okay, such way that BD equals CE and BE equals CD. BE equals CD. Okay, it is required to prove that we have to prove that okay, we have to prove that what we have to prove that ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. ABC angle equals ACB angle. Okay, ABC angle, we have to prove that ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. Both of this angle is equal. It is our targeting points to prove. Okay, so we are just little constructions we have to do. Construction, join BE and CD. Okay, up to that I think all of you understood. So I'm just writing proof here. Okay, so we are taking DBC triangle, we are taking in DBC triangle, look at that, DBC triangle and ECB triangle, and ECB triangle. Look at that here, DBC triangle and ECB triangle both of these triangle we have to given. Some of student when answering the exam, I'm just telling the reality, they don't write this line. This line is very very important, because what the proof you are trying to prove, what proof you are trying to do in the exam, what is the basement, where you are doing, where is the working place of you. Okay, so first you have to mention where you are working. This is your working place, where I am working in DBC and ECB. This is the both triangle I am working on right now. So if you don't just write first line or headline where you are working, so it's very difficult to find actually where he is working and what he will try, he or she wants to try to prove. Okay, so look at that here, DBC and ECB triangle. So BD equals CE. It's given in the question. Maximum thing given. Okay, so it's really very easy. So BD equals CE, it's given. BD equals CE. Okay, BD equals C is given, and BE equals CE, BE equals CD, B equals CD, it's also given. Okay, and BC equals BC, BC equals BC, common line or common side. Common side. So by triple S theorem, so look at that, what this all four theorems makes our all problems and everything very easier. Just we can write just by triple S theorem, AB DBC triangle congruence with ECB triangle. So both of these triangle are congruence. So if both of these triangle are congruence, we can say corresponding sides, corresponding angle are equal. So we can write DBC angle is equal to ECB angle. Easily we can write it. I think all of you will agree with me. Easily we can write it, DBC angle is equal to ECB angle. Okay, now look at the picture. All of you just look at the picture. DBC angle, we can write ABC angle easily, because if we extend any side of an angle, it won't change anything. Okay, so we can write ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. ECB we can write ABC, ACB, no problem. ACB angle. Okay, proof. So I think all of this question problem is very easy, and these kinds of easy problems will come in the exam. Okay, little change I will do. Okay, just write in the comment, all of you, my favorite student, my dear student, my what I have to say. Okay, just sir ektu repeat please. Okay, sir here, Sadit sir here, which part baba? Okay, রিপিটটা কোনটা করব আমাকে বলো যে স্যার এই সাইডটা রিপিট করেন। ওকে, দেখো এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা, এই যে এই অংশটা, এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা হচ্ছে এই যে এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা, এটা হচ্ছে একটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। লুক এট দ্যাট হিয়ার, দিস ওয়ান ইজ a triangle and this one is another triangle. This one is another triangle. Okay, so this part is common part, so DBC one triangle and ECB this is another triangle. Okay, but given in the question, this side equals this side and this side is same. Okay, this side and this side is same given in the question, and this side also same given in the question, and both of this triangle has common side is BC is the base. This is the way one side is moving, one triangle is one side and another triangle is another side, is two sides here, but their basement is same, this BC. So that is why BC is the common side. Okay, common side or common line, it's up to you, no problem. You can, so by triple S theorem, so three sides are equal, we can say. So by triple S theorem, both of these triangles are congruent. So when they are congruent, we can say the corresponding angles must be same. So look at that here. So this angle, the DBC angle for first triangle and ECB angle for second triangle. Okay, both of these triangles, these triangles. If we take those two pieces of paper and we can make just this way two triangle, and if you can put there, I think you will understood, okay, how it is, okay, coincide with each other. Okay, so we can say this DBC angle equals ECB angle. Sorry, so DBC angle and ABC angle is same as ECB angle and ACB angle is same. So I think all of you understood. Just write in the comments, sir, Nihika. Hey, bolo Nihika. প্লিজ বাংলা একটু বুঝান স্যার, তাহলে একটু ভালো হতো স্যার। বাংলা কি বুঝতাম, এটা তো সব দেওয়াই আছে মা, তিনটা সাইড তো দেওয়াই আছে তোমার, এটা তো কোনো ভিতরে কিছুই নাই যে এটা আমি বুঝাবো ভালো করে, সবগুলো দেওয়াই আছে কোয়েশ্চেনে। ঠিক আছে, তুমি যদি ভালো করে যেগুলো যেভাবে কোয়েশ্চেনে লেখা আছে কোয়েশ্চেনটা ভালো করে বুঝো এবং অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন্স ইফ ইউ ড্র দ্য পিকচার ভেরি ওয়েল, আই থিঙ্ক ইজিলি ইউ ক্যান প্রুভ ইট। ওকে, সো দেখো এটা দুইটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, এই যে এখান থেকে ডিবিসি ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা আছে আর হচ্ছে ইসিবি ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা আছে। হ্যাঁ, এই দুইটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের একটা কমন সাইড হচ্ছে বিসি, এই যে কমন সাইড, আর বাকি এই দুইটা দেওয়াই ছিল কোশ্চেনের মধ্যে, এটা দেওয়াই আছে, এটা আমি কিছু করি নাই, এখানে আমার কোনো কারসাজি বা কারিগরি কিছু নাই, ওটা কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে। সো আমরা তো শিখেই ফেলছি যে ট্রিপল এস থিওরেম, তিনটা সাইড যদি তিনটা সাইডের কারেসপন্ডিং সাইডের সমান হয় আমরা বলবো ট্রিপল এস থিওরেম, বাই ট্রিপল এস থিওরেম। সো বাই ট্রিপল এস থিওরেম বোথ অফ দিস ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আর কনগ্রুয়েন্ট। ওকে নিহিকা, বুঝতে পেরেছো? চুপ থাক, কে কাকে বলছিস চুপ থাক? স্যার ক্লাস শেষ করেন। ওকে, গুড বাই এভরিওয়ান, ক্লাস শেষ করে দিব, কত বাজে? ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। এক কথায় শেষ কোয়েশ্চেন।